It is 10:50 a.m. Wednesday morning, March 29th, 2023. We're at the SEPTA Jefferson Station, Mid-Center City, Philadelphia. I'm going to be taking SEPTA train 2311, the logo to Elwyn, 2311 to 30th Street Station, Philadelphia. He's due in a few minutes. Look at this mural here.
Next to arrive on track 3, section B. Schedule 10:50, local 2.
I'm going to take the.
Next to arrive on track 3.
I'm going to take the airport train. He stops at 30th Street too. My description will identify what train number it is, but it's going to Philadelphia International Airport. I'm getting off at 30th Street. This is Jefferson Station. It's now 10:52 a.m. Wednesday morning, March 29th, 2023. Here he comes. Over and out.